Hello, engineers. So let's try to solve this sample problem taken from REE board examination. So yung problem natin is if absolute B sub S is equal to absolute B sub R, which is equal to 33 kV, and X is equal to 13 ohms per phase, what will be the maximum power? So sa problem natin guys is meron tayong given na absolute BS. So itong BS natin, ito yung ating sending voltage. And then yung BR, ito yung ating receiving voltage, which is equal to 33 kV or 33,000 volts. And meron din tayong given na X is equal to 13 ohms per phase. So ito yung ating synchronous reactance. So kung given daw itong tatlo na to, ano daw yung ating magiging maximum power? So let's solve this problem using our conventional solution. Since this is a transmission problem, tapos hinahanap yung maximum power, so yung gagamitin natin formula dito is maximum power per phase is equal to BSP times BRP over X. Itong BSP natin dito, ito yung ating sending voltage per phase, and then yung BRP natin dito, ito yung ating receiving voltage per phase. Tapos yung X, ito yung ating synchronous reactance. So we are assuming this is a delta connected supply. So therefore, yung BSP natin is equal to BSLL or the line-to-line sending voltage over square root of 3. And then yung ating receiving voltage per phase is equal to BRLL or the line-to-line receiving voltage divided by square root of 3. So, isolve na natin yung ating sending voltage per phase, which is equal to BSLL over square root of 3. So, yung BSLL natin dito, or the line-to-line sending voltage is equal to 33 kV, or that is equal to 33,000 over square root of 3. So, using your calculator, ang makukuha nating sagot dito is 19,052.56 volts. Next is BRP or the receiving voltage per phase. So yung formula natin dito is BRLL or the line-to-line receiving voltage over square root of 3, which is equal to yung BRLL natin dito is also equal to 33 kV or 33,000 volts divided by square root of 3. So using your calculator, so yung makukuha nating sagot dito is still 19,052.56 volts. Since meron na tayong BSP at meron na din tayong BRP, and then may given na tayong X, so therefore, pwede na natin gamitin yung ating formula. So maximum power per phase is equal to BSP divided by BRP over X. So substitute, maximum power per phase is equal to BSP natin, which is 19,052.56 times BRP natin, same value, 19,052.56 over X, which is equal to 13 ohms per phase. So using your calculator, 19,052.56 times 19,052.56 divided by 13 equal natin. So we have 27,923,080.2 watts. Or this is equivalent to 27.92 megawatts or approximately equal to 28 megawatts. So therefore, yung 28 megawatts, ito yung ating maximum power or ito yung ating final answer. So I hope marami kayong natutunan dito sa natutunan sa video na to, and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.